If we could look to the stars.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Victoria. I am so happy that you're here. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video from me. I'm doing a refrigerator clean with me, sort of. I'm kind of just wiping it down, but I'm gonna go through everything, take everything out. I'm gonna show you how I did that and how I went through and got rid of expired stuff. And then I'm going to unpackage my HelloFresh box. I'm going to reorganize it all and show you the process and what it looked like before and after. So if that sounds like something you would like to see, then let's go ahead and get started.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love.
Okay, so I apologize for the yellow lighting. I can't really help that right now because it's dark outside, but I pulled everything out of the main section of my fridge and there it is. I have tons of leftovers because I meal prep and I cook a lot. So this is everything. I left the stuff in the drawer because I don't think I'm gonna need to wipe that down, but I don't know if you guys can tell, but like where I sit my milk, for some reason gets really nasty, and then I have some like nastiness going on there. And then this is the madness that is our fridge door. I'm gonna go through it in a second and pull out and see what is like expired and kind of like rearrange it. In this video, I'm not going to like reorganize with bins or anything. I kind of just wanted to clean my fridge out because I do have a box of HelloFresh with 4 meals in it over there. And I needed to clean out my fridge so that I could fit stuff in there. As you saw before, I couldn't really fit anything in there. So yeah, now I'm going to go through and see what's expired. For some reason I keep wanting to say retired, which is not the word, but I'm gonna see what's expired and maybe throw some leftovers away. Actually, I don't think I have any leftovers that need to be thrown away, but let's go ahead and start that.
You can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call. Yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love.
Okay, so I wiped down my fridge. Like I said, I'm not going for like a deep clean. I was just kind of organizing and wiping down so I could fit my HelloFresh stuff in here, but that looks really good, doesn't it? I really, whoops, sorry, I hit my tripod. I think that looks pretty good. And as far as what I'm getting rid of, actually, I kind of have it separated into like my fresher produce stuff, and well, actually a lot of it is kind of like fresh produce stuff, but what you saw me do earlier was put the chicken I had on a plate into a Tupperware container so it would stay a little bit fresher. And then these are the only 3 things I'm getting rid of, which I'm pretty proud of. This was expired, which I didn't realize. It's actually only halfway full, but let me see if I can show you. It expired in January and I've been using it all week, so I'm just getting rid of that. And then this literally has like, you guys can't tell, but it has like nothing left. And I have a new one in the fridge anyways. And then this Jose Cuervo margarita mix, I don't even know how long this has been in there, but we don't use it. I'm getting rid of it. So now that I did all that, by the way, I put my hair up because it was huge. I went on a walk with Sherman earlier and we got caught in like the mist, like rain mist, and so my hair was like huge from the rain and the humidity. But anyways, I'm gonna put all this stuff back in the fridge now and organize it, and then I will give you a little tour of everything that we have in our fridge. Okay guys, so I just finished putting everything away. I had a little confusion with my HelloFresh order, which if you guys stay tuned, soon in the future, I don't know exactly when they're gonna go up, but I'm gonna do a couple different videos. That's my dog, sorry. I'm gonna do a couple different videos showing the HelloFresh recipes that I make, just to kind of show you guys like what it's all about and if I liked it, which I haven't tried anything yet, so I don't know. But anyways, I just had to message them and stuff. They got one of my recipes wrong, but anyways, I put them in the fridge and now everything is all put away, and I thought that I would go ahead and give you guys a little tour of my fridge. So here is the grand reveal. By the way, holy moly, it looks full. Very thankful to be able to have a full refrigerator, but my refrigerator is very squeaky, like creaky, so don't mind it. But let's go ahead and I'll just give you a little overview really quick, but I think it looks pretty good for me not having any bins put in there. I mean, honestly, I might be the minority here, but I think that when people buy all the bins and everything for the refrigerator, I guess if you have kids and like multiple people getting in and out of the fridge, I think it's kind of a waste of money. I mean, I feel like you can organize it without spending any money, but that's just me. So in the future, maybe I will go get some bins from like the Dollar Tree, but for now this is fine. I'm not really picky about my refrigerator, just because I'm pretty much, well, Devin and I are the only ones in it, but anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So up here I have Devin's lunchbox, and that's where I keep his lunch. It's so tall, so I have to find a spot to put it. Then I have some blueberries, and then back there is the meat from my HelloFresh box. I have this cute little colander. I'm sure I'm gonna get a question about it, so this is from TJ Maxx. I just got it recently. I keep my strawberries in it. This is a head of lettuce that I really need to cut up, but I haven't had the chance. And then in this little drawer, I just have some sliced cheese, cheese sticks, and some shredded cheese. And then on this little, what would you call this? Level? I don't know. I have some lunch meat, and then behind there I have my bread, which if you're wondering why I have my bread in my fridge, it's because here in Florida, the humidity in the summertime, not really right now, but in the summertime, your bread molds pretty quickly if you keep it in the pantry, so it stays fresher longer in the fridge. I have some spinach and baby carrots. This is one of my HelloFresh meals that wouldn't fit in the back. I have 3 back there and 1 right here. We got 4 meals this week. And then I got this salad kit yesterday from Publix. I'm really excited. I had the buffalo chicken one and I finished it today, so I really liked it. This is the Southwest. Pretty much any salad that's called Southwest I like. Those are like my favorite kinds of salads. Oh, sorry Sherman, I just stepped on his tail. I have milk from Publix I also picked up yesterday, and then this one's from Walmart. And down here I have some leftovers. So this is some, oh, this is actually a meal for Devin's lunches that I haven't given him yet. I like to meal prep a bunch of stuff and then save it for the week. And then down here, oh, this is actually a tiny bit left over from the salad that I'm gonna eat tonight for dinner. So this is cauliflower rice with sweet potato and tuna salad and hard-boiled egg. That's what's in there. And then here's just some chicken rice and cauliflower rice. And at the bottom is just some shredded chicken that I've been using for Devin's lunches. I've been using it for different things. Right here I have a ton of yogurt. Oikos 000 is our favorite. This is the Publix brand. I just got those yesterday. I have some cottage cheese and some applesauce. I like to use the unsweetened applesauce for baking instead of like vegetable oil and stuff like that. You can use it for a lot of different things. And then I have some of these that I pulled out of our emergency hurricane fund because they're going to go bad, so I just pulled those out. Not something I would usually buy because it's high in sugar, but I do have those in there. I have some water bottles, and then over here, this is pretty self-explanatory, but I keep all of our condiments and like pickles and stuff like that. So there's some beer that probably will sit there for another year because we never drink. And then some sparkling apple cider. I have some chicken broth, pickles, soy sauce. This is my avocado mayo that everybody was like asking me about on my Instagram, but it's really good. I don't think it tastes any different than regular mayonnaise, and it's healthier. This is some queso, more pickles, soy sauce, like I said. And then up here, I decided to put like my pasta stuff, and then I realized I didn't have any room for like my strawberry and grape jelly, so I just put it there. But I have some like Alfredo sauce, barbecue sauce, that's pasta sauce, and then my new little thing of Parmesan cheese, and then I have some strawberry and grape jelly. And then over here I just have my Whataburger ketchup that I love, and the spicy kind. I have some Frank's hot sauce, my favorite yogurt dressing. This is really good and it's really healthy for you. Italian dressing, Olive Garden Italian, some salsa. And then up here I just have my eggs. This is the whipped cream cheese, which is our favorite. It's so good. This is a hard-boiled egg that I peeled today, and I'm gonna eat it probably tonight. And some butter. And that is it for my little fridge tour. I know this is a little bit different of a video from me, but I thought you guys might enjoy it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This took me actually a lot longer than I expected. It took me like an hour, but between the filming and the actually doing it, it would have took a lot less time if I didn't film it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel so much better that my fridge is a little bit more organized, and I'm really excited to make my HelloFresh meals this week. So look out for those videos coming soon. I think I'm gonna split it up into a couple different kinds of videos to just showcase the recipes and see what they are. I'm really excited to try them. But I hope you liked this video. If you did and want to see more content from me, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I would love for you to subscribe and stick around, and I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
What am I doing?